So let's solve this JAMB 2023 question without the use of a calculator. It says evaluate 16 to the power of 0.16 times 16 to the power of 0.04 times 2 to the power of 0.2. So this is 16 to the power of 0.16. The same thing as saying 16 over 100. Okay, because we are moving 2 times 1, 2, so this is over 100. Then multiplied by 16 to the power of 0.04 is same thing as 4 over moving twice, that is over 100, right? Then times 2 to the power of 0.2 is same thing as saying 2 over 10, because we are moving just once. Okay, let's make all the base, let's make them 2. So 16 is same thing as saying 2 to the power of 4. Okay, that is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that's 4. Then multiplied by the 16 over 100 we have here, times 2 to the power of 4, which is for this 16, times 4 over 100, times, then we have 2 to the power of 2 over 10. So let's break this down to the lowest term. So here we have 2 here is 2, 2 in 100 is 50, 2 here 1, 2 here is 25. So at the end of the day, we have 16 over 25. So we have 2 raised to the power of 16 over what? 25. Multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 here is 2, 2 here is 50, 2 here is 1, and 2 here is 25. So we are left with 4 over 25 times 2 to the power of 2 here 1, 2 here 5. Here you have 1 over 5. Okay, so we have, this is what we have here. As you can see, all the bases are equal, so we can pick them as 1. So this becomes 2 to the power of 16 over 25. So we're adding all the powers from the laws of indices, plus 4 over 25 plus 1 over 5. Okay, so this is equal to 2 raised to the power of, the LCM here is 25. So we simplify. 25 divided by 25 is 1. 1 times 16 gives us 16. Plus 25 divided by 25, 1 times 4 is 4. Plus 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, so this is equal to 2 to the power of 16 plus 4 is 20 plus 5 is 25. So we have 25 over 25. So this is equal to 2 to the power of 25 divided by 25 is 1. And 2 raised to power 1 means 2. So the final answer is 2. So we have the options. Option A is 2, B 0, C 20, D 1 over 2. So the correct option is option A, which is 2. Okay. So we will see in the next class, and bye for now.